Hello my lovelies. This is the first video that I made when I started on this journey. Today what I'm going to be making is a quick Japanese shrimp rice bowl. So I have my shrimp in a bowl here. They've already been cleaned and deveined. And there I have my chuha just to get me started. Nothing like a Japanese meal without a chuha. I have some garlic that I've already sliced, and I'm slicing and peeling my carrot right now. And when you deal with a vegetable that's round, what you want to do is cut off a flat side to make it safe so it won't be rocking around while you're trying to cut it. I'm putting some olive oil into a saucepan, and I'm going to saute my carrots, and then I'm going to chop some shitake mushrooms and add those mushrooms to the carrot. Here I have my green onion, and again, to make green onion easy cutting, you cut the whole stalk down to manageable size pieces, line them up, and cut them all together. So I've added my mushroom to my carrot, and I'm going to add some sake to a little bowl, soy sauce, and mirin, as pronounced by the Japanese. I've just added some sesame oil, and now I'm adding my garlic to the pan, adding the sauces, the soy, sake, and mirin, and sauteing it just until the vegetables are tender. I'm drying my shrimp with a paper towel, and I want to dry them thoroughly. You always want to start with a dry meat or seafood. And I've just added some garlic butter to my fry pan there. I'm adding again mirin, sake, and soy sauce to the garlic butter, and I've added my shrimp, and I'm going to saute those just until pink. You don't want to overcook them. I've added the green onion, and I'm going to remove the shrimp and let the sauce thicken and reduce. Now I've topped the shrimp with the sauce, and I'm going to put some rice into my bowl and top the shrimp. Put the shrimp on top of the rice as well as the vegetables alongside it. I have a package of freeze-dried green onion here, and I'm going to put that on top. And here to the side, what you see is some tofu, and it has some Shirasu, which is little baby sardines on it, green onion, ginger, and soy sauce. And I've also added a duck egg that I had from a previous menu that I'm going to bring to you. And there you have it, polished off, finished, quick and easy, Japanese cooking. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and visit your nearest Asian grocer and pick up some Asian ingredients.